Hello everyone. In this video, we are asked to solve for k given that 2 to the power of k plus k is equal to 11. So in this video, we are going to be applying the Lambert W function. So we have that 2 to the power of k plus k is equal to 11. Now, the first step here is to move k to the right hand side. So we have that 2 to the power of k is equal to 11 minus k. So at this point, we can divide both sides by 2 to the power of k. So this will cancel out. So at the left hand side, we will be left with 1 equal to 11 minus k enclosed in a bracket. If we apply the division law here, this becomes multiplied by 2 raised to the power of negative k. So we have that this is 1 equal to minus k plus 11 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of negative k. Now at this point, we will express the exponent of 2 here to take the form of the expression at this point. That means we have to express the exponent to be minus k plus 11. So to achieve that, we multiply this equation by 2 raised to the power of 11. So we have that 2 raised to the power of 11 times 1 is equal to minus k plus 11, close the bracket, multiply by 2 raised to the power of minus k times 2 raised to the power of 11. So at this point, 2 raised to the power of 11 times 1 is 2 raised to the power of 11 equal to, we have minus k plus 11, open your bracket, times, this is 2 raised to the power of minus k plus 11. Now at this point, the exponent of 2 takes the form of the coefficient of 2. But at this point, before we use the Lambert W function, one part of the equation must have the form x multiplied by e raised to the power of x equal to something. Now, to express this equation to have this form, we consider the right hand side. Now, recall that if I have e raised to the power of ln 2, this is still equal to 2 because e and ln are inverse processes. So the equation can now be expressed as 2 raised to the power of 11 equal to minus k plus 11 multiplied by e raised to the power of ln 2 multiplied by minus k plus 11. Now we have to multiply the equation here by ln 2 because the exponent of e must be equal to the coefficient of e. So this becomes ln 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 11 equal to minus k plus 11 multiplied by ln 2 multiplied by e raised to the power of open bracket minus k plus 11 multiplied by ln 2. Now, if you look at the right hand side, the right hand side has the form x multiplied by e raised to the power of x. So at this point, we can now be able to introduce the Lambert W function. So we have it that this is w open bracket minus k plus 11 ln 2 e raised to the power of minus k plus 11 multiplied by ln 2 equal to w multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 11 ln 2. So the right hand side is equal to minus k plus 11 close the bracket multiplied by ln 2 equal to w open your bracket 2048 multiplied by ln 2. So at this point, we can divide through by ln 2. So lane 2 can cancel out lane 2. So we are left with minus k plus 11 equal to W, open bracket, 2048, lane 2, divide by lane 2. So at this point, k is equal to 11 minus W, open bracket, 2048, lane 2, divide by lane 2. So we have been able to obtain the value of k. Now at this point, to obtain the approximate value of k, we use a calculator that supports the Lambert W function or that supports the product log function. And at that point, we can obtain the approximate value of k. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.